Michelle from Noble Touch, and today we're going to try the ribbon technique on a pumpkin frame. So what I have here is some ribbon. Now I wanted actually 4 of these stretch, but I have 3, so we'll see how that's going to work. I might have to add this brown pumpkin in. And then I have the 2 green pumpkin ribbons. All this comes from Mel's Crafty Mojo. You're going to need some twine or some jute cord. I got this from Walmart. And then, of course, your pumpkin frame that Dollar Tree usually carries, some zip ties, your scissors. And then I got these cute fall sprigs to decorate with. I got those from Mel's Crafty Mojo as well. So, we're going to get started. Okay, so I just went ahead and pulled some excess jute cord out of this because we're going to wrap it around. It's going to make it way easier to do this. And then I just wrapped a hair tie around it. That way I can pull it as I go, and it's easier for me to get through the bars and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by tying a knot at the base here, or at the stem. And I'm sorry if I sound a little groggy. Allergies season kicked in at my house, and so I've been trying to get over that stuff. So what we're just going to do is just keep wrapping it around, and we're going to do the whole frame in the twine or the jute cord. So we're just going to keep doing that all the way around the outside frame. Okay, so we just went ahead and tied this off at the end here. And I think before I do my ribbon, I think I want to add this to the top. Just because I don't want to interfere with the ribbon once I get it on. It might be too difficult to do the stem. Something like that. So I'm just going to try and cut the majority of this off. Need some good wire cutters or nippers here. Yeah, I think something like that. And I think to start it off, I'm going to zip tie them. Just to kind of hold it in place for me. And then I'll zip tie this one this way. Okay, so we have our twine, and we're just going to tie a knot around the base here. You can double knot it if you'd like. And we're just going to wrap the twine around the stems and the base, or the stem, I should say the stem. So I think I'm just going to start off going around this back here. Just to get the stem of the floral picks covered. Okay, got my glue gun on. I'm going to hit the corners here with some glue. Gotta make sure I don't get the foliage in there. And then I'm going to come down and wrap it up this way. What I'm going to do here is hit this with glue up here too. Okay, so I've layered the ribbon, so it is the orange, the pumpkin green, and the orange stretch ribbon. And what you're going to do, you're going to attach this, but I'm actually going to tuck this under up here. And just take a zip tie and attach that end underneath. Pull it enough through. Okay, like that. And then, of course, I use a hand width and kind of gather and pinch. And then you would zip tie again. So here at the end, we're just going to cut up or cut that end a little bit and bend it over in the bottom here, and then zip tie it. The zip tie is flying away. Okay, so those 3 rows did almost completely the whole pumpkin except one. So I do have a roll each left. So what I'm going to do is just kind of measure out about, so I'm going to give it a little bit underneath. And I'm going to measure out 9 folds here. 2, 3, and I'm giving it some extra. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'll do one more. So about this long, I'm thinking should work. That way, I should have enough to finish this last section. I don't know what I was thinking earlier. Thinking, wait a minute, I can just measure that out and cut it, because it's not continuous anyway. So here we go on the last section. I'm hoping this looks fabulous when it's all said and done. Okay, now that we have all the sections with the ribbon on it, now what we're going to do is just come to the side, pull one of the stretch ribbons out to the bottom, and then the other one to the right, so to the left and the right, and then do the pumpkin in the middle. Now you can alternate, but I just thought it'd be kind of cute having the pumpkin go down the wire here. And if you wanted to too, you could also add some lights in the back just to brighten it up. And it's just a matter of fluffing and pulling apart the ribbon as you go. Like I said, this is a stretch ribbon, so it will stretch out even more. So we're just going to keep doing this on each section, and we'll be back. Okay, so here it is, all fluffed out. I'm loving the stretch wire. It gives it a chicken wire vibe, so like a farmhouse effect. I'm loving that. And then, of course, you can get the ribbon and the picks from Mel's Crafty Mojo. I'll have my affiliate link underneath the description portion of the tutorial. You're going to need 2 rolls of the pumpkin ribbon and 3 rolls of the orange stretch ribbon to complete this wreath right here, as well as 2 picks. And then the twine I just got from Walmart, and of course the frame came from Dollar Tree. You can do this with any ribbon. I think a cool buffalo check one would be awesome. And you could do some really cool, even a Harlequin type pumpkin for Halloween. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on A Noble Touch on Facebook, on Instagram, and I'm on TikTok as well. So please join me there. You guys have a great day. Thank you.